Talk a little bit about what you're going to be displaying or looking at the HIMSS conference.
So we're working very closely with our partners at VMware to show off some of the exciting advances that we can do with AI in the enterprise. AI has really taken off and it's moved beyond here's an application and really bubbling it up into corporate IT that's helping to drive the entire hospital business. What we'll be showing is how we can empower those IT departments with the virtualization stack from VMware to really demonstrate what AI enterprise means for hospitals.
So AI in the enterprise, I feel like we're at a tipping point. I'm now starting to look at real world solutions being implemented in healthcare systems using the AI stack. We're literally bringing it into healthcare. Talk about some of the solutions that are starting to implement AI in healthcare.
It's all across the board. You'll find NVIDIA inside of instruments, inside of servers, helping to drive visualization, helping to drive these AI applications to help us clinically and also in terms of doing workflow and departmental analytics and population health. We'll see it in doing things like detecting cancer. We'll see it in detecting hospital business and helping to drive efficiencies across every single department in the hospital. What we're seeing with the IT departments is as we start to provision these solutions and we go out and say, hey, here's a great breast cancer detection AI application, and we're going to connect it inside of our hospital. Back 2 years ago, we would go out and purchase a box, deploy it, set it up, and it runs it on its own server. But this is not something that can scale up. So if we want to add resiliency to those services, what happens if that one box goes down? If we want to add in a lung cancer detector and a pancreas cancer detector, we can't just keep adding boxes and boxes and boxes. We need to have that virtualization stack. And this is what I really mean when I talk about AI enterprise, using VMware and NVIDIA vGPU to help share that compute power across all the different applications that we're seeing in hospitals today.